Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is another how-to video, and Chef's going to show us how to make a cast iron cookie skillet. Very simple, couple key ingredients, and some very easy tips. We think you're going to really enjoy this video. It came out really delicious, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is invest in a small cast iron skillet. Put a little bit of oil in there, and there should be some anyways to always protect your cast iron with oil, but Chef's using some canola oil. And then go ahead and make your cookies. Okay, check. No, we're just joking, but we did buy our own. It makes it easier, but go ahead and feel free to make your own. So if you do buy it, like Chef kind of took a little shortcut, go ahead and cut the cookie dough up into small pieces, and then layer your cast iron skillet. The thicker the skillet is layered, the higher up the cookie will be, so make it thin. Just around the edges, that's all you're going to really need. Put this in the oven at 350 degrees, and you're going to watch it every 5 or so minutes. Just carefully monitor it. You want nice golden brown edges, and the cookie will rise up. And then what you can do is, after several minutes, you can take it out, take a look at it. Chef put just a couple toothpicks to test it to see how thoroughly cooked it was. He's going to put it back in for a little bit longer to get a nice golden brown crust. So now Chef took it out. It has a nice golden brown texture to it, soft in the middle. He's going to let this sit. And after several minutes, it actually is going to sink back down a little bit. And now Chef can finish this right off. So he's going to put a little ice cream right in the middle there. And then feel free to add any toppings you want. So Chef has some nice chocolate syrup. And then a little whipped cream. And that's all going to do it for him. But feel free to add different varieties of caramel or sprinkles or whatever you like on your sundaes. So we do hope you enjoyed this. It didn't take too long to make. We really think you're going to like it. It had a great flavor. There's Chef. It's a little bit gooey in the middle, as you can see, and it came out wonderful. So very simple. Whip this up pretty fast. So there you have it. Another one of our how-tos. And we think you're going to really enjoy. Definitely check out our how-to list, our playlist on that, and any other videos that you may be interested in that we have up on the site. Check out our blog on how we fully put together some of our recipes, and if you do enjoy what we're doing, hit the subscribe button. Thanks again, everyone. I'm the narrator, and have a wonderful evening.